Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to create a 3D zoom edit with picture on CapCut. So the 3D zoom edit can only be made if you use a photo, if you import photo to CapCut. So here I've already used one photo and I've already imported to CapCut. Next, you just need to click on the photo that you add and go to style, and here swipe the style until you find the 3D zoom. Okay, there are two options, the 3D zoom and the 3D zoom pro. You can just choose which one that you want to use. I'm going to just use the 3D zoom and wait for the style or fill or effect to be applied to the photo, and just like that you are done. So this is the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button below. Thank you.